Hey there buddy Campfire Guitar Heroes, my name's Dene and welcome. If you're new here, this channel focuses predominantly on songs from that classic decade, the 1980s, or maybe a decade either side. Now let's get straight into it. The vital statistics that you need to know for this song are: key is C major, and there's quite a few chords. I'll take you through each of those as we break down the song in its parts, the verse, chorus. Strum is pretty straightforward, just sort of down strums, gentle down strums. What I found was the real challenge to this song is that iconic riff at the start of the song on the F chord. I'll show you that right now. Right, that instantly recognizable intro slash verse to the song. It sounds like this, and I'm going to break it down for you, right? So you're starting on the C. And before I play it, just remember I'm a left-hand guitar player playing on a right-hand strung guitar, so my finger patterns may appear upside down to a lot of you. Don't let that worry you. I'll put the chord patterns on the screen there and you can follow along. Look, I've got the same challenges as you. I just got to get my fingers in the right place at this end, and I've got to pick and strum the right strings at this end. Right, so back to that intro, starting on a C. Let's break that down now. So it's the C, and you're doing a down strum on the middle strings of the guitar, 1, 2, and then on each down strum, at the completion of each down strum, you're targeting the D string for a single pick. Hear that? D, 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 D. So, on the C, take the pointer finger off to form a C major 7, and you're doing one more down strum with a picking of the D. C. Hear that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we transition straight to the F and we repeat that process. One down strum, pick the D string. Then we come to this little riff where you're going to take your pinky finger off that 3rd fret, you're going to hammer onto the G string, and then you're going to pick the B string. It's pretty hard to do. This is how it should sound. And there's a lot of strength required there. I know the bar chord F is the hardest chord in the book to play. Look, if you want to help with bar chords, I did do a very old video about bar chords. Check out the link up there. But this is one of those ones you just got to practice over and over again. And if that's too hard for you, depending on what stage you are in your guitar playing, you can just strum out the intro just by playing the C major 7 and the F. Sounds a bit like this, right? You can still get away with singing the song by just strumming it, right? Get the idea, so you can sort of strum to fill it in. And as always folks, I do a free song sheet for every one of my lessons. The link is below. It's got the chords, the lyrics, everything you need to know how to learn, practice and play this song. Right, let's move into that pre-chorus part now, where it goes like this. Okay, so that's the pre-chorus. And what are we doing there? We're still doing that sort of down strum pick, right? On an F for two strums, down strums. Quickly transition to the A minor. Then we go to a D minor. D minor 7. Open G. 4. One strum on that cool note, the G7. And that's a movement into the chorus, which we'll do now. Hey folks, if this sort of music is your thing on guitar, then you'll definitely want to check out my new songbook. It features the best songs from all of my YouTube tutorials in the first year. All of them sound great around a campfire, so check out the link in the description below and you will have an instant song repertoire. So the chorus on the F. You may say I'm a dreamer, and that's repeated 4 times, I think it is. So it's the same chord sequence: F, G, C, E, E7, where you're putting your pinky finger on that, the B string, 3rd fret. Just to hear that ring. Here's the difference. Here's an E, here's an E7. And it really sounds cool, so I really encourage you to do that in this song, right? So, you may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. You get the eye? And you repeat that 4 times. That is the chorus to the song. Alright, very quick strumology to playing the song. As I said, the verse and the intro is more just a down strum pick. Down, pick, down, pick. Alright, pretty straightforward there. But as you know, as I do that chorus, I strum out the chorus starting on the F. You may say I'm a dreamer. What am I doing there? Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. But I'm not the only one. So there's the building blocks to the strum. Fortunately, this song is quite a slow tempo and gentle, so it's a really good one to strum out for beginners. Hey folks, if you watched this far, you're probably enjoying the video, but just remember it's probably going to get a strike by YouTube because I don't own the copyright to this video, which means I'm going to get no ad revenue for this video forever. Now that sucks for me, but hey, that's the way it is. Them's the rules. Anyway, if you want to support my work, then be sure to check out my Patreon page and maybe consider becoming a member of the Campfire Guitar Hero band. As always, I give every song a quick vocal ability rating, so using my patented Patreon vocal ability rating system, I reckon you need to, be somewhere around busker level for this, just to hit a couple of those semi-high notes. It's not that challenging, but you still need to have some kind of voice to be able to pull this song off. Now, you definitely need to check out this playlist down here, the top 10 Campfire guitar songs of all time, as determined by me. It is your instant song repertoire. It's easy if you try. No hell below us. Above this only sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for. No religion too. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you will join us, and the world will live as one. Well, there you have it, folks. That was it. The building blocks to one of the greatest songs ever written, imagined by John Lennon. Now, you definitely need to check out this playlist down here, the top 10 Campfire guitar songs of all time, as determined by me. It is your instant song repertoire. For anyone who loves to play and sing along, this one's for you.